What's up everybody, Dean here, and I am so pumped for this one. We're talking about Sweden, a country on my bucket list forever. It's got a cool blend of history, nature and modern living. Uncover 19 incredible facts about Sweden. Buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into Sweden. Sweden is huge, the fifth largest country in Europe, stretching into the Arctic Circle. From lush forests and lakes to snow-capped mountains and glaciers. Ever heard of the midnight sun? Yeah, that's a thing here. The sun barely sets in summer, so you can hike, kayak or soak in views all night. It's as surreal as it sounds. Sweden's nature is incredible, but it's also super modern. Cities like Stockholm, Gothenburg and Malmö are sleek, modern and eco-friendly. Green roofs, renewable energy transport and sustainability are key. They're serious about protecting their environment. One of the coolest things about Sweden, their right to roam laws. You can wander almost anywhere. Forests, fields, even private land. Imagine pitching your tent under the stars by a lake. No fences, no restrictions. It's pure freedom. Everyone needs to experience it. Let's talk bucket list experiences. Sweden is one of the best places to witness the northern lights. Imagine being in a cozy cabin, sipping hot chocolate, and the sky explodes in color. Green, purple, pink, a celestial dance, absolutely breathtaking. Head north in winter for the best chance to catch this phenomenon. Sweden's history is long and fascinating, and yeah, it involves Vikings. These legendary warriors sailed the seas and left their mark on history. You can still feel their presence today, visit ancient burial grounds, explore villages, and learn about their legends. It's like stepping back in time, stepping back in. From midsummer festivals to indulging in cinnamon buns on Cinnamon Bun Day and experiencing a traditional Swedish Christmas market with glögg and gingerbread cookies. Join the locals during Walpurgis night bonfires. You haven't experienced culture until you've partied like a Swede. Hold up. Sweden isn't just about Vikings and cinnamon buns. It's a tech innovation hub. Spotify, Skype, Minecraft, all Swedish creations. Their cities showcase cutting-edge technology. Picture this, thousands of beautiful islands just begging to be explored. Welcome to Sweden's archipelagos. From the Stockholm archipelago with its charming villages to the rugged beauty of Gothenburg, there's an adventure for everyone. Rent a kayak, hop on a ferry, or charter a sailboat and find your paradise. Alright, foodies, listen up. Swedish cuisine is about to rock your world. Forget those meatballs from that furniture store. We're talking fresh, seasonal ingredients and flavors that'll have you saying smaklig måltid, indulge in gravlax, or try some hearty reindeer stew. And don't even get me started on the pastries. Speaking of food, we gotta talk about fika. It's not just a coffee break, it's a way of life in Sweden. Slow down, connect with friends, and savor a good cup of coffee and a sweet treat. After a few days in Sweden, you'll be fikaing like a pro. Sweden's commitment to equality is admirable. Leading in gender equality and social welfare, everyone feels valued. From parental leave to free healthcare and education, Sweden exemplifies a compassionate and just society. With its vast forests, lakes and mountains, Sweden is an outdoor paradise. Hike, kayak or camp under the stars. In winter, ski or snowboard. Anytime you visit, Sweden offers endless nature and memories. Get ready to tap your feet because Sweden's got rhythm. From the iconic ABBA to the legendary Avicii, Sweden's global music impact is undeniable. Feel the energy of Stockholm's live concerts, discover Gothenburg's trendy bars, or enjoy traditional Swedish folk music. From sleek furniture to minimalist fashion, Swedish design is all about functionality, simplicity and clean lines. Explore Stockholm's trendy design district. Admire the architecture of the cities themselves. Swedish design creates spaces that are both beautiful and practical, and it's sure to inspire you. It's sure. In Sweden, education fosters creativity, critical thinking, and a love of learning. Sweden ranks among the most innovative countries. Visit a local library, chat with students at a university cafe, or observe the Swedish approach to problem solving. Education is at the heart of Swedish society. Don't let the stereotype of the reserved Scandinavian fool you. Swedes are some of the friendliest and most welcoming people you'll ever meet. They're always happy to help a lost tourist and share their love of their country. Strike up a conversation with a local barista, ask a shopkeeper for recommendations, or simply smile and say "Hej, hello" to passers-by. You'll quickly connect with the locals. From majestic moose in the forests to playful otters in the lakes, Sweden is home to diverse wildlife. Spot reindeer herds migrating or search for lynx and brown bears. And don't forget to look up, Sweden is a birdwatcher's paradise with over 250 bird species. No trip to Sweden is complete without experiencing a traditional Swedish sauna. Sweat it out in a wood-fired sauna, take a dip in a cool lake, and repeat. This ritual is about cleansing the body, relaxing the mind, and connecting with friends and family. Sweden's public transportation is efficient and reliable. High-speed trains connect major cities and buses reach remote villages. Explore everything Sweden offers. Rent a car for an adventure, stopping at charming towns and viewpoints. So, there you have it, guys. 19 reasons why Sweden should be at the top of your travel bucket list. From its stunning natural beauty and rich history to its innovative spirit and welcoming people, Sweden truly has something for everyone. If this video has inspired you to start planning your own Swedish adventure, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which fact surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.